In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal access token in Airtable. A personal access token, or PAT, is a secure way to let trusted tools and automations connect to your Airtable data without sharing your full account credentials. Think of it as a key that only opens the specific doors you choose. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to scope the token so it has the right permissions, and how to finish the setup confidently. Start by signing into your Airtable account in a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. From the menu, choose Account. This opens your account settings. In the left side navigation, open the Developer Hub, which is where Airtable groups all developer-related features. Inside the Developer Hub, select Personal Access Tokens. This page lists any tokens you've already created and is also where you'll make a new one. If you don't see these options, double-check that you're logged in with the correct account and that you're using the web app rather than a mobile interface. Now you're ready to create the token. Click Create Token. Give your token a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize its purpose later, such as the name of the integration or workflow it will power. A good name makes management easier, especially if you create multiple tokens over time. Next, choose the scopes. Scopes control what the token can do. For most automations that interact with table data, you'll select data.records. Read to allow reading records and data.records. Write to allow creating or updating records. Only add additional scopes if you absolutely need them for your use case. Following the principle of least privilege keeps your data safer and reduces the chance of accidental changes. Under Access, select the base or bases this token should be allowed to reach. Be as specific as possible. If the integration only needs to work with one base, limit the token to that one. You can include multiple bases if your workflow requires it, but avoid granting access to anything unnecessary. Targeted access is both safer and easier to audit later. When everything looks right, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token and display it. Treat this token like a password. Keep it confidential and only paste it into trusted tools. If you ever need to stop access, return to the Developer Hub's Personal Access Tokens page to manage or revoke it. That's it, you've created a personal access token in Airtable with the right scopes and precise base access ready for secure integrations and automations.